Hey everyone, welcome back to another logo design tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to create a sleek S logo using Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started. First, grab the text tool and type the letter S. Resize the text. Choose a bold, stylish font that fits your design vision. Once you're happy with the font, go to Object Greater, then expand to convert the text into an editable shape. Next, open the Pathfinder panel and click Divide, and group the shape and remove any extra parts you don't need. Now, duplicate the S by going to Edit Greater, then copy and then paste in front. Position the two letters so they overlap in a cross-like shape. Select the top S, then go to Object Greater, then Path Greater, then Offset Path. This will help us create a stylish layered effect. Select everything, go back to the Pathfinder panel, and click Divide again. And group, then delete any unwanted parts. Now, select Middle Piece, then go to Object, select Path, choose Offset Path. Now, select all, go to Shape Builder tool. Hold the Alt button and remove the other parts. Now, select all remaining pieces and click Unite in the Pathfinder panel to merge them into a single shape. Grab the Ellipse tool, hold Alt plus Shift, and create a perfect circle. Increase the stroke size to match the logo's thickness. Go to Object panel, select Expand to turn the stroke into an editable shape. Now, select everything and align the elements properly to keep the design balanced. Let's add some depth. Apply a gradient to the S shape and the circle for a modern, dynamic look. Once you're happy with the design, export it as a PNG file with a transparent background. Finally, open a Photoshop mockup and place the logo. Adjust the settings to get a professional, realistic look. Now follow my settings. Check the video description for the font name, logo details, and my contact information if you need to reach out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design content. See you in the next video.